It's kind of a butthead. Oh man. Oh man. Holy cow. Or holy duck. Welcome to the garden. It looks really good.
Look at the turtle. Look.
King Drooper.
And it looks like, oh great. Welcome to the garden. Today, this is the tail end of a head of romaine lettuce. It's kind of a butthead. That's a little evergreen tree. Probably a yew. It's not me, that's for sure. Even if you don't live somewhere, you don't live anywhere, do you? We should be able to split apart the bulbs. Bulbs. Why can't I say bulbs? Bulbs. Bulbous. Each layer of protection. Give your plants. Give it to them. And you want to labor. We need to be careful. Is with a boot. And with all this. So we part old dilapidated. I also will put our flowering succulent. Welcome to the garden. Today I've got an update on our whiskey bottle terrarium. Oh god. Which brings us to benefit number, oh god. Oh my god. They'll continue to set, oh god. God. Oh, great. Oh, just so great. On our morning glories. Jesus. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow, they're just everywhere. Oh, neighbors are super great. Neighbors are so great. Can you not? Just hold on a second. Oh my gosh. There's more coming in from all over the place.
Where are they? Oh, there comes one.
Isn't that wild?
Oh, there, yeah. Where the hell are they coming from?
They were up on the top of the flowers this morning.
What was?
The snakes.
You gotta
They
be kidding.
clumb up on top.
These?
Yeah.
Really?
They're like 4 feet off of the ground. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, that was so weird. Oh my god. It's so weird. It's, woo, ah! Oh, I just got so wet. I just got covered in snow. Ah! Whoa.
send that into the news. But it was just so amazing. Another day, another dollar.
Or maybe some peas down in these. Look at these peas. The bees love it just the same though. I just saw one on there. Over on there. I do like the flowers, and I actually like looking at the berries. I do have a little bit of thinning to do over here, mate. Oh my gosh. Gesundheit. And they germinated almost immediately. This little bit of whiteness. There's whiskey in the jar. Welcome to the garden. Today I'm in my mini mine. Today I'm in my mint is pretty easy. These herbs are also. I hope you all enjoy this walk through the park as we transition. Identical to my agreki cookie. I got that last batch of pesto. I got in that last bastard. The idea behind the experiment was to break the logs down into hummus. We always want the poil. Most people were. So the two most important things to feed your compost are those carb. So the most. Oh, come on. Oh, baby, come on. So they have a mild recession here, and I'll put two of these together so that I can fit the tomatoes. Doing tomatoes? Yeah, I'm doing YouTube videos.